Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn a new concept of use of THIS this and THAT that. Where do we use this and where do we use that? Today I am going to tell you. Children, when we talk about one thing that is near to us, then we use this. Then we use this for the thing. Like in your first example, you can see that there is a hand and near to this hand is a kite. Now you can also touch it with your hand. So for that thing you will use this. What you will use? You are going to use this. You will say this is a kite. This is a kite. Now, for any one thing which is far from you, for that we are going to use that, THAT, that. We are going to say that is an orange because we cannot touch it. We are pointing out to it. Are you getting, children? Let's revise one more time. This is a hand, or you can consider the thing which is near to you. You can consider this hand as yours. Okay. Now this cup is very near to you. You can even touch it. Then you are going to say this is a cup. THIS. This is a cup. And if we are using the same hand and we are pointing out towards the ball, then it is far from us. So we will say THAT, that is a ball. That is a ball. Children, once more we'll revise. We will summarize what we have learned. The thing which is close to us and it is only 1 in number, for that thing we use THIS, this. When one thing is close to you and you can even touch it, then you use THIS, this. And when anything which is 1 in number, that means it is single and you are not able to touch it, it is far from you, then you will say that for the same thing. Like here, that is an orange because you cannot touch it. Now to understand this activity better, we are going to do a worksheet. Now children, in your notebook, your parents are going to make a worksheet for you, but you are going to read the same with me. USE, use, of, THIS, this, THAT, that, this, that. Now this and that are both sight words. Now we are going to do our first example. This is the space you have to write in, and the first is IS is, because it will be pronouncing phonically like is. This is also a sight word. Is, a, t, a, b, tub, t, a, b, tub. Now here we have to write this or that. First you will see that this is the hand and it is very near to the tub, So what you will use? This or that? Yes, we are going to use this. Now children, we are going to write this in small cursive only. We will not start our first letter with capital. Okay. We are going to write it in small only because children find it difficult. This is a tub. Now coming to the second example, here we have to write this or that. is a mat. Now, children, you can see there is the hand and the mat is very far. Mat is very far. So, what you will use for the thing which is far? This or that? We are going to use that, and we will say that is a mat. That is a mat. T-H-A-T, that. Now, here again you are going to fill is a pen. Now here we have to write this or that is a pen. Now you can see the pen is here and it is very near to the hand. So we will use this. We will say this is a pen because we can even touch it and it is very close to us. So we will say this is a pen. Children, you have to learn the spelling of this and that. T-H-I-S, this, T-H-A-T, that. Now what we will say is a hut. Is a hut. Now tell me, we will say this is a hut or that is a hut. You can see that the hand is very far from the hut. So we will say that is a hut. That is a hut. T-H-A-T, that. Now, is a fig. F-I-G, fig. Now, fig is very close to the hand. So, what we will say? This is a fig or that is a fig? We will say this is a fig because it is very close to us. Now, again, here you have to fill the answer. Is an A-P-P-L-E, apple. You already know the spelling of apple. So, now what we will say? This is an apple or that is an apple? Because the distance between the finger and apple is very much. So, we are going to say that is an apple because we cannot touch it. T-H-A-T, that. That is an apple. Now, read it for yourself. Is a car. Now, car is very near to our hand. So, what we will say? This or that? Yes, we are going to say this is a car. When you can touch it, you can say this is a car. Now, coming to the last one. This is a bag. Is a bag. Now, I was touching it, so I said this is a bag. But this hand cannot touch it. So what it will say? This is a bag or that is a bag? Yes, it will say that is a bag. Okay, children? I hope you understood the concept well. Do this worksheet given in your homework. Take care. Bye-bye.